So Hikvision gave me this adapter here. I was thinking it's a normal USB that you can plug on your laptop and then plug a network cable, but this got a USB-C and my laptop doesn't have it. And when I check in the back here, it says I can connect mobile phone. I'm not sure it will work, but let me just open it and see. I have no idea how it's working. So I got this IP camera here. I'm gonna plug it. It's on. And I got this network cable. Okay, plugged to my switch. So the camera and this device are on the same network. So I'm gonna plug it on this phone here. I see the light flashing. Let me go to Hik Pro Partner. SADP tool. New device found. It's actually connected. You can see here. Network connected. Right now I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi. I'm connected via the network cable, and then you can see everything is working. I like it. Thank you Hikvision for giving me this. I appreciate that.